Hello everyone, I'm Garima Mangla. I've completed my LL.M in Investment in Securities Law from the National Institute of Securities Market, Mumbai. And I've completed from the 22-23 batch. And the whole journey at NISM has been very incredible, very transforming. The whole course is a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical experience. So I'll encourage everyone to join this course for the future programs.
Hi, I'm 𝐕𝐺𝐶 and currently I'm working in one of the topmost asset management company of the country. My journey in NISM was really great. What NISM provides is not just education but also amazing degree, amazing infrastructure and amazing faculty. What I have learnt in NISM, I probably cannot learn anywhere else. NISM taught me how to proceed in the securities market, what all type of depositories, NSDL, CDSL, everything. I have learnt everything about the securities market in NISM, which I do not feel that any other college has the potential to give it. Lastly, I would say that my journey in NISM was not just filled with an exposure, but also with knowledge, but also with I got to meet a lot of people. I got to realize that there is a financial sector of the country, and to enter the financial sector, I think NISM is one college which has its role always. Thank you.
Hi, this is 𝐈𝐧𝐯𝐿. I'm currently working as a Deputy Manager in the Regulatory Department of the National Stock Exchange of India. I've done my LL.M in Investment in Securities Law, National Institute of Securities Market, and I feel like my experience at the college really helped me grow as a human, grow as a professional. I've gotten access to the market, to the world, which I wouldn't have got otherwise. The infrastructure, the facilities, and the total vibe at the university was very accessible for me. And everybody was inclusive to the fact that I got access to the state-of-the-art library. The stock market simulation mechanism provided at the university was really enriching in the fact that I got access to the models and demos of how the exchange functions. Currently working as an exchange officer, I had a basic understanding of how the exchange models and exchange mechanisms work because of the excellent infrastructure facilities available at the National Institute of Securities Market. I believe that as I grow into a professional, as I grow into my career, the facilities provided to me, the access provided to me, and the constant feedback available to me through the excellence and the proficiency of the professors available at the institute is going to help me in great thread and great regard. And I believe that was the best decision that I took to give the entrance exam, and I feel myself lucky that I was accepted and inculcated into the NISM family. And I believe that it's going to be a really fruitful journey ahead because of this college. Thank you so much.